Okay, so let's talk about fractions. So what is a fraction? I know, you've seen them. They might look like this, or they might look like this, or even this. And the numbers can be huge. So what does it all mean? Well, it's all about pieces of a whole. Pieces of a whole? What? What is that? No problem. Let's answer that question. Okay, look at this picture. Here we've got what looks like 6 pizzas, generally similar, but they are the same size. Yet each of these pizzas is cut a different way. This pizza is cut in 2 pieces. This is cut in 4. This pizza is cut in 6. This one is cut in 3 pieces. This one in 5. And this one in 7ths. But they're all the same pizza. As the more you cut up the pizza, the smaller the pieces. Okay, folks, so let's look at this first pizza. If I take one piece of that pizza, I will take one of 2 pieces. If I look at, let's go down to this one. This pizza, if I take one, I'll have 1 of 5. So 1/2 is a bigger piece than 1/5. We can see that. We can see that this piece is bigger than this little piece, 1/5. So that means we need to figure out what tells us the size of the piece. Look at your denominators. The denominator is the number on the bottom. That number tells us how many pieces. The numerator is the number on top. The numerator tells us how many pieces we actually used. So in the fraction 1/2, I'm actually saying that I ate 1 of 2 pieces. In the fraction 1/5, I'm saying I ate 1 out of 5. So keeping in mind, if we compare a few of these fractions, like 1/2, 1/5, 1/6, and 1/7, if we had to think about which one was the biggest piece, we would have to say that 1/2 has the bigger pieces. How do we know that, you ask? Well, the fewer number of pieces means the bigger the piece of pizza. This pizza only has 2 pieces, so taking 1 out of 2 is going to be much bigger than taking 1 out of, say, 7 smaller pieces. So that number on the bottom, the denominator, is important. Not only does it tell us how many pieces are available, it also tells us the size of the piece. So let's recap what we know. Fractions are pieces of a whole. Fractions have a numerator and a denominator. The denominator tells us how many pieces are available. The numerator tells us how many pieces we used. And if I compare fractions like 1/2, 1/6, 1/7, and 1/25, I know that 1/2 has the biggest pieces, where 1/25 would be very small indeed. So keep calm and enjoy fractions. Yay!